Hey everyone, welcome back to another Zoho Creator video from Zentegra. Today we're going to look at how to take your Zoho Creator application and turn it into a mobile app that you can not only use on your phone but also publish on app stores like the Google Play Store. Alright, let's get started. First thing you need to do is install the Java SDK. You can use the Oracle version, pretty straightforward. Once it's installed, open your command prompt and type in Java version. That'll show you whether Java is installed correctly or not. If it shows the version, you're good to go. Next up, we'll generate an upload keystore file. You'll need this later when signing your mobile app. I'll put the command on screen, but just to explain, it'll ask you to set a keystore password, a key password, and a few bits of personal info like your name, organization, and location. In my example, I'm naming the keystore file Personal Productively Management and using sample name as the alias. But you can name yours however you like. After entering all that, you might get a warning message. Don't worry, that's totally normal. Once done, your keystore file will be created. You'll find it inside your C drive under your user folder. I'll show you the exact path, but keep in mind, it might look a little different on your machine. Now, let's jump into Zoho Creator. Open your app, go to the deploy section, and under mobile, choose the application you want to convert into a mobile app. You'll also select whether this app is for regular users or portal users, depending on your setup. Then pick the platform. In this case, I'm selecting Android. Next, you'll need to enter a package name. This is usually written like a reverse domain. For example, com.zentegra.productivity. After that, upload your application icon or just leave it as the default one. Now comes the export part. You'll be given two options, AAB and APK. If you want to export an APK, you'll need to create a signing keystore file, which is basically the same process as the upload keystore we did earlier. Once you've got that, enter the keystore password, the key password, and the alias name you used. Then upload the keystore file from the path we noted earlier. At the top of the screen, you'll see a generate button. Click on that, then choose code sign. Zoho Creator will take about 10 minutes or so to build and sign the mobile app for you. Once it's ready, you'll get a download link. Download the APK file, install it on your mobile device, and you're good to go. And that's it. Your Zoho Creator app is now a fully functional mobile app. Super useful if you want a clean mobile experience or if you're planning to publish it to the App Store. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like it, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe to the channel for more Zoho Creator content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.